YouTube, what's going on? Leekautorepair. Make sure you guys hit the like button. Make sure you guys subscribe. Any questions, comments, concerns, leave it in the comment section. So real quick, it's going to be try to make it 5 minutes. So I'm outside of the shop, front of the shop. Car was brought here. I don't know if it was told in. Story on this: someone from a parts store, I think like outside of Pep Boys or like AutoZone or something like that, tried to do an alternator replacement, and you know, they got down to they almost had it out, but had a few more things to do. Only thing I had to do was, well, for those who search this video and you want to know how to do your alternator, so I'm gonna combine this video with a bunch of things to cover, well, a few things to cover at the same time. But I removed the front bumper, took the whole front bumper off. Anybody want to know how to remove front bumper? Pretty sure you guys got videos out there like that, but it doesn't take much to remove a bumper because you got the clips held in on the top, some screws and a couple clips on the side, and a couple things underneath, and that's it. The whole thing comes out. So that's that. We're not talking about that. But you do have to remove the bumper. You can't remove the bumper, and you shouldn't be doing this job. That's all I got to say. So pretty much like I said, remove the bumper. I did not discharge the AC. I will show you guys some visuals on the side of the screen. So I did not discharge the AC. Left the condenser hanging off right here. Got the little latch right here. There's the condenser. Line still hooked up, low side and the high side. One thing I want to chime in right here, if you guys can't see, but there is a bolt. The reason you have to remove the bumper, because there's a bolt and there's a bracket. It's two 12mm bolts, but you only have to remove one bolt. Take the bolt, the one that's on the block, and you have like a little clip. Just press the tabs in and the clip come out. That keeps the harness in place. And once you get that bolt removed off the bracket that's connected to the block, you'll be able to remove the alternator, assuming you already got this top bolt out that I'm already pointing to, whatever. But it's the reason you gotta take the whole, you know, the bumper cover off, because there is a, you know, you need room, you need clearance to get the alternator out. But you also have another bracket, another bolt down in there to prevent you from getting it out, and it's hard to get it in with the fan shroud, with the fan shroud and the radiator in. So you can sneak it out. It's up to you. But to take the bumper off and to take the radiator out, it doesn't take long. It doesn't take long at all. And me, I'm the type of person, I follow instructions, and according to Mitchell and all data, they want you to remove the front bumper. Job doesn't even pay that much either. It pays a little bit over 2 hours. So if you're in your driveway and you want to know if this can be done, yes, it can be done. You can save yourself a hell of a lot of goddamn fucking money. Hell of a lot of goddamn money, instead of doing it at the, you know, dealership or whatever it is you're taking it to. You know, it's an updated car, 2014 or 2012 Toyota Sienna North 3.5, of course. And labor could get extensive on this. It could, but you know, the part is expensive as well. But you know, shop will charge 2, 3 hours, 4 hours. I'm getting paid 4 hours to do this job. Lucky me. So like I said, I already showed you guys what's what, and pretty much I got the alternator in, so I just got to put this screw back on, the bracket that connects back onto the block, put the top screw on, get everything back on. I'm going to try to upsell belt on it because the belt is all cracked up and everything. So yeah, so you want to know if it can be done, why? Well, I'm going to title this video, since I just started it, why do you have to remove the front bumper cover for your 2012 Toyota Sienna? So that's that. I'm Leekautorepair. Make sure you guys hit the like button. Make sure you guys subscribe. Any questions, comments, concerns, you know what to do. Leave it in the comment section. So, peace.